Hello, hello, hello. I am known in the finance world as the crypto queen because of the results that I help people to get from leveraging a paycheck to get instant income, to create more cash flow, and also leveraging the bank's money to get credit so they can gain assets and obtain real wealth. I want to thank Papa Doug for allowing me to leverage his platform and trusting me to bring you this very powerful video. We are the United States and other countries globally is experiencing something that we've never experienced before. Never have we seen in this country $4 gas prices, $5 a gallon gas prices, or $6 a gallon gas prices in some areas. Never have we seen before scarcity in our grocery stores and higher gas prices where we have to make decisions on purchasing groceries or buying gas and able to feed our families. I heard a video by stand-up comedian Cat Williams some time ago that talked about how people should not have to make life decisions at the gas pump. I'm coming before you right now with solutions, not to talk about the problem. So again, we're in a financial crisis. People right now, or families right now, having to make life destiny decisions, and they are afraid, they are confused, they are concerned. They're concerned about their future and their families. So I'm giving you solutions and share with you what some things you can do strategically to position yourself where you're not on the downside of inflation and this great wealth transfer, but you are on the upside, right? I was always taught that the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. So let's go over two cold, hard facts. America will help you make a living, but you have to take your lifestyle. Fact number two, America has several different avenues available for you to choose from to choose the type of money that you want to make. But fact number three, America is not the best at helping you make the right decisions. Fact number four, if you make a shift in your mindset, you can make a shift in your money. So here's the first concept I want you all to understand. How is it that the U.S. Treasury Department gets all of its money? From two sources, taxes and interest. Now the second question becomes, where does that taxes and interest come from? We're not going to answer that right now. So right now, I want you to start making a choice to get knowledge about what financial education. You can try to work yourself to wealth, right? Or you can just shift your money back from the entities that's getting wealthy from you. I want you to understand why at your job, which 96% of Americans have, when you have problems or issues, they direct you to a source called human resources, because you are actually, in fact, human resources for the government, right? Most people are familiar with the W-2, also known as a job. Well, why is that? Because colleges and universities encourage all students to get a good education, to get in debt, and to get a job. There's nothing wrong with the job. I encourage people that hard work is admirable, but the interesting thing about a job is they pay the highest tax bracket. That means you pay out the highest taxes to the Federal Reserve in the U.S. Treasury if you choose to make your money through a job. This is Robert Kiyosaki, the best-selling author of the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, said it this way. Rich and wealthy people look for networks. Everyone else look for jobs. So if you have a job, a third of your income goes to taxes. This is not a bashing video. I love America. I'm not going anywhere. But I would tell most people this. If the government told you, okay, you work for me January through April, and you will not get a paycheck in May through December, then we'll start paying you. Most people will not stand for that. So what happens is, instead of broadcasting it to you, they take a little bit out of each check. So you basically work 4 months and you get zero, and you literally give it to the Federal Reserve and U.S. Treasury and pay it to the government. So the logic is, if you have a job, even if you are a small business owner, even if you are a specialist or a doctor who's taxed even higher than a W-2 income earner, right? The gross never make it home. The net is what make it home. So the government, believe it or not, they encourage you to get a home-based business because a home-based business will bring that money back to you. It will instantly increase your income out of your paycheck. Most people don't know this as well, that you're taxed 5 times before you get your paycheck. So business owners are able to work first and spend taxes later, right? So, but as a job, you get to work first, you get taxed second, and then you spend last, and you're also taxed on your spending. That's called retail spending, right? So what I do is I encourage people to get a home-based business. You get cell phone tax deductions, you get internet tax deductions, you get square footage of where you live. So now you can position yourself to get more money out of every paycheck, every pay period. This is what is going to help you with gas prices. This is what's going to help you with grocery prices. This is what's going to help you with inflation, because the government give all perks and tax advantages to business owners, right? So this is the formula I'm bringing to you, where you can deduct all of your expenses first, deduct them first, and now you're taxed less, and you're not shifting that money to the Federal Reserve. You're not their human resources. You're doing what the government wants you to do. But colleges and universities and schools will not teach you this. Now, here's the thing before I go, right? Forgive me for adjusting my camera. I am on vacation, so you all gonna hear some background noises. Now, I teach about cryptocurrency as well. That's why I'm known as the queen of crypto, because of my portfolio of cryptocurrency. Money making money is taxed less than labor making money. That's why wealthy people, 2/3 of their income comes from their investments, because that way they get to keep a lot more of it. So their formula is totally different. They say, my money is going to work and then I'm going to reinvest it. And I'm going to pay the least amount of taxes. And the government says, thank you, because wealthy people and their money provides businesses and jobs for other people. So the name of the game, everyone, is to shift your income to the right so you can provide more and help people, especially during these times, so they can shift from being employees, small business owners, from owning a business and being their own boss to owning a system which pays them. J. Paul Getty said it this way, one of the richest billionaires that ever lived, is that I'd rather earn 1% from 100 people efforts than 100% of my own. So this networking opportunity that's going to show you how to grow extra digits, get more money out of your paycheck, to shift that money to get you above the inflation crisis, is only $129 right now to invest. Right now they're giving a $99 credit. That's 55% off the regular price, which is normally $228, because they understand that the financial crisis that we are experiencing right now as an economy. So they are making this very affordable, and the government will pay you, because once you network with me, you will actually be able to write that off in tax deductions. You'll be able to write off your lifestyle, things that you're spending now, money that you're spending out that you're not able to get back because you don't understand these tax strategies. So after you learn the tax strategy, after you power up your paycheck is what I called it, after you increase your take-home pay, after you reduce the amount of FICA taxes and you get an extra $300, $500, people on my team have gotten literally an extra $1,400 increase, married couples, from money that they did not know how to shift out of their paychecks. Now they are afloat. Now they're not living paycheck to Monday, which is the CTM, meaning that people get paid Friday and by Monday they're broke again. No, I'm helping you to position yourself. Now you not only get those extra income coming in, but now you can create cash flow by networking with me and my team and using our energy, our efforts, our expertise. Just like I'm leveraging Papa Duck's platform right now, you get to leverage me, my expertise, and my IRS experts that I'm connected with to help you increase your income. Now, the second step is to increase your cash flow. Increase your cash flow through networking. Again, Robert Kiyosaki says, the richest and wealthy people look for networks. Everyone else look for jobs. The third thing I'm going to help you leverage is your credit. Papa Doug preaches this on this channel all the time. You have got to leverage the banks. You have got to use credit to get assets and stop using credit to purchase liabilities. You need your money working harder for you than you work for the money. This is the greatest wealth transfer that this generation has ever experienced, because now the central banks are transitioning from physical cash that we spend on a daily basis or electronic cash that you spend through credit cards to now digital currencies. They're calling it the CBDCs, central banks digital currencies. So now you have cryptocurrency that is a new created asset class. And if you join with me in business today, I'm going to give you my free PDF book that's worth $125. Is purchased separately. You get to take advantage of a $99 credit, 55% off. You get to get instant income, create more cash flow, credit restoration. Also, a credit restoration part comes with this as well, because I also have experts through this connection that's going to help you repair and restore your credit so you can use the bank's money to leverage and invest in these assets. And now, and again, excuse the background noise, I'm on vacation. And now that you have instant income, create cash flow, and you can leverage and increase your credit, because people, listen, you gotta stop paying the banks. You gotta stop paying the banks interest back from having negative credit scores. So people with low credit scores pay higher interest rates. So let's get your credit scores up, your interest rates down, and let's eliminate bad debt and start accumulating, teaching you about good debt as well. So again, what I want you all to do, and again, excuse the background noise, I'm on vacations, people coming in and out, but I want you to text cash flow to this number, 254-788-1144. Again, text the keyword cash flow to 254-788-1144. I want you to take advantage of this $129 networking opportunity where I'm working with IRS and credit repair specialists, because people, if you can shift your mindset, you can shift your money. If you can shift your taxes coming out of your paycheck, you can get bigger paydays. If you can leverage the 470 plus tax deductions from a home-based business, you can leverage up your life. If you learn how to leverage up your credit, to leverage up your assets, you will never work again and you'll never be broke again. Also, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Queen of Crypto. It's also Crypto Queen, so just type in Crypto Queen first. Crypto Queen on YouTube. Also on TikTok, follow me as well. I am Queen Money Moves. And Instagram, I am Crypto Queen. If you want to follow me on Facebook, I'm Crypto Queen. Subscribe, follow me on all these platforms. And again, text cash flow to 254-788-1144. I'm going to get you started right now for a very small investment opportunity to increase your income, cash flow, and credit. Only $129. This is a promotional investment opportunity. It ends soon. So you want to get in right now. Text me cash flow. Crypto Queen out. I see you all on the crypto, the cash flow, and a better credit side.